had to go and carry her and bring her back here to finish her food. Beautiful. She's even more beautiful. Aye. So we'll go to Tesco. That's the plan. That is the plan. I think Tesco opens. Sorry, I keep saying Tesco. Lotuses. They open at 8. So we go there lah. Go and get a t-shirt. Do y'all remember the ones that we saw that day, the red one for Chinese New Year that I wanted to get for myself? Do you remember the different types of designs? One was a rabbit and once I thought if you remember, then if there's any one in particular, help me choose. I can try and go live from there and then you can choose and let me know. Busybody, eat. I'm so glad I got the curtains up. Okay. Finish my coffee.